Greetings, Earthlings, and welcome back to Vlogmas day, I don't know, it's fine. Stay tuned for this PicsArt tutorial. So every time I do this effect on one of my photos, I get lots of questions about it. So today I am going to show you guys exactly how I get this effect on my photos. So first thing you're going to want to do is download the PicsArt app. This is actually one of my favorite photo editing apps. Okay, so once you are in PicsArt, you're going to go to that little plus sign at the bottom, and then you're going to go to your photos and you are going to select which photo you want to edit. I'm going to go in to the tools here and crop my photo really quick before we do any effects. Then I'm going to go to the filters and I'm going to select the glitch filter. And if you tap it again, you're going to get these tools. So you can adjust the photo horizontally, which is usually the way I go. You can also adjust it vertically. Also, these little boxes that have colors on top, you can change the color. I never mess with these. I usually leave it just how it is. And then you are going to go to next and save, and then you have your little edit. It's super easy, and I hope you guys enjoyed this short video, and I will see you guys later today. Just because I missed yesterday's upload, I'm going to be uploading twice today. So make sure you stay tuned for another video later today. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. All right, peace.